the Cupcake Girl here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I didn't post on Wednesday and Friday. I forgot to. I keep on forgetting, but I hope this video will make it up. So, today there's a new update in Brookhaven. There's a rocket house ship thing, but we're gonna be rating it. All of the rooms. I'm just gonna lock this. And it's night right now, so I'm sorry if you can't see it that well, but down here is the rocket. I don't know what this is, but if you fall down there, you can't go back up. So I fell down there while checking this. I haven't found any secrets yet, but trust me, Sprinkles, I'll start finding secrets today and I'll post tomorrow. So I'm gonna go upstairs. Oh wait, I forgot the most important part. Changing this to purple. Oh, the ship changes color. Wow. Okay, this is the best house ever. So as you saw, the ship changes color, and you can actually go inside the ship. But we're doing that last because that's my surprise. So if you go up here, there's a lot of levels. Wow, that's a lot. I can't even tell how many, but as you can see, there's a ladder here. If you go all the way up, you can go up here, and then you can spy on everyone. And if you're good enough, maybe you can jump on top there. But I tried and I fell down. I fell down here, and I sorry about all the noise in my background, but I fell down there and I couldn't get back up, but I forgot I could spawn. So that's just a security camera. Down there's a security camera. But anyway, let's get to the real part. The rocket ship. Oh my god, I haven't seen this myself, so I'm so excited. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Let's pretend that nothing happened and let's go back outside. Okay, so here's my giant purple rocket ship. I mean, it's not always purple. You can change it to blue or green or yeah, but my favorite color is purple. So to open this door, you don't press this. Oh, you kind of press that. Yeah, you can press that. Or you can just press the door itself. There's fuel. What is this? Are these eyes? Sprinkles, let me know what this is. These are oxygen things, of course, because it's a rocket. There's a TV. Can I turn this on? I can't watch any movies. No. Okay, boxes. Oxygen 100%, fuel 100%, damage 0%. What's down here? Whoa. My laptop is so dark right now. My light's all the way up. What is down here? Wow, there's a lot of things down here. I wonder if there's a secret. There's obviously gonna be a secret in here. Why would the creator add this if there wasn't a secret? That doesn't make sense. Right, Sprinkles? Ow, my bunny ears are stuck. And if you're wondering why I'm still wearing my bunny ears, it's because I wanted to today I want what's happening? Today I wanted to do the extreme egg hunt, but I figured out that there was a new update and the egg hunt was gone for good until it's Easter again. I was a bit sad, but it's okay. Okay, down there's a bit confusing, but let's go up here. Saw this ladder. Whoa! Okay, it still says this stuff. There's a table and chairs. I'm sorry if I'm not tall. I just look weird. This is floating. Oh wait, no, it's connected. Never mind. This is the kitchen. What is this? This is like a virtual menu. Am I living in the future right now? Okay, I'm sorry for all my screaming, but there's a secret up here. Oh my god, it's Sprinkles! I found the first secret. You can hide up here. In these blue cupboard thingies. Wow. If you were a bit shorter, like this, no one would absolutely see you. Okay, I look a bit weird, so there you go. There's a banana. I like bananas. More of these things. I don't know what this is. Comment down below what that is. And wow! Holy God! What is this? Oh my God! You trap people in here? Oh my God! Wow! Wow! Just book it. Wow! What is this? Wow, Brookhaven, you really had to add this and trap people. Oh my God! Medic. Oh, you can just turn on the lights. Oh, oh, this is a medical center. I thought it was for aliens. Because when you press this, it turns green. And it turns to cryo sleep. I'm sorry, Sprinkles, that's just my dog. Wait a second. Okay, Sprinkles, so this is cryo sleep, but if you press this again, it turns to medical. I like the medical more because, you know, it's better. What's up here? There's so many more ladders. Wow, what is this? Wow. Brookhaven did a good job. Is that a bathroom? Oh, it's a bathroom. Okay, nope. Nope. What's in here? Toilet? Wow, you really need to add a code just to get to the toilet every time. I mean, you don't even have privacy. People can still see you. Look, imagine someone sitting there. They can see you. Okay, there's a security camera right up here, which is a bit creepy. I don't want anyone looking at me on the toilet. It goes perfectly directly to the toilet. So the rocket ship, I'm definitely giving it a 1,000 out of 10. 1 million out of 10. I don't know. Just high numbers, high numbers. But oh no, it's raining. Oh, who's this out here? Okay, someone's stealing. Is the president stealing? Wow. Okay, so if I go, but this area over here is so. Oh my God, I love all of this. I'm not even gonna rate it. Like it's so good. Like I don't even know what to rate it honestly. Is there new clothes? Wait a second. There's not new clothes, but there's this thing. Okay, I don't like that. I don't like that. Reset, reset, reset. But yeah, I love this area. Definitely giving this a 1 million out of 10. So, Sprinkles, I'm gonna see you tomorrow or maybe later so that I can post another video. So, bye, Sprinkles. See you in my next video. Bye.